Here are the top new features on the 2025 M4 MacBook Air. Real quick, if you want to keep up to date with the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. First on the list, a price drop. What's consequential about this is not only is the new machine more affordable for users, but older models have their prices drop too. Instead of starting at $1099, the new M4 MacBook Air is even better and priced at only $999, a $100 discount. If you're okay with an older model, the 2022 M2 MacBook Air, the one that I've personally been using for a while and is fantastic, is as low as $699. Just a huge win here. Second new feature is the M4 chip. It's a new, beefier processor with up to 10 cores instead of 8 that are also faster. In benchmarks, we can see how much the single and multi-core tests have improved since with the original M1 model. On the GPU side, the new M4 scores more than 55,000, a notable increase compared to the M2 to M3 transition that wasn't that significant. The memory bandwidth has also been upped. It's now capable of 120 gigabytes per second reading memory, up from 100. And speaking of memory, that's number 3. MacBook Air still starts with 16 gigs of unified memory, but now goes up to 32 as the max. Before, it had been capped at 24 gigs. Users can get the portability of the Air, but with more memory to make it even more capable. Number 4 on the list is displays. This is something that's been a long time coming, and Apple has improved slightly with each new model. The original M1 MacBook Air could only support one external display. It got better with the M3 finally supporting 2 external displays, with the display closed in clamshell mode. Now the M4 is basically what it probably should have been early on, and it will now support 2 external 6K displays. With the display open, a total of 3 displays. Of course, we also have the color. The M3 MacBook Air came in silver, space gray, starlight, and midnight. The M4 MacBook Air now comes in silver, starlight, midnight, and this new blue color, discontinuing the space gray modeled version. Personally, I'm a fan of the new blue, though I do admittedly want more saturation. It's a very subtle sky blue, powder blue, baby blue that in some light looks silver. You notice the tint a bit more while sitting side by side with silver, but otherwise it's easily mistaken for silver or even starlight. Like all the others, it also comes with a matching braided MagSafe 3 cable. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new blue and what color you'd like Apple to do next. Since we're talking new Macs, it's probably a good time to talk about my sponsor for this video, which I connect with at my core. I have always been someone who upgrades my Mac every couple years. I spent time in web and app development before moving into graphic design and then into video production. So I would upgrade and sell my Mac every couple of years to keep up with my work. But it's kind of a hassle, and it gets kind of expensive. Funny enough, it's basically that exact situation that led to the founding of Upgraded, this service where you can get a new MacBook Air or MacBook Pro every 2 years. You just pick your Mac, an entry-level Air, a tricked-out 16-inch MacBook Pro, or something in between. You then get the Mac along with Apple Care Plus with payments split over 36 months. After 24 payments, you can upgrade to a new Mac or just keep rolling with the one you have as long as you'd like. It is easy, stress-free, and you're always upgraded. If you're fond of using Apple's latest portable Macs, subscribe and get a new one every 2 years with the added peace of mind of Apple Care Plus. Learn more about Upgraded at the link in the description and pinned in the comments. Number 6 on the list is a new camera. It's still only 1080p, but it's a new higher resolution wide-angle camera. It's 12 megapixel for photos, so stills will be better. For video, it supports center stage to follow you as you move around. And there's desk view. This allows you to show off what's in front of you while you're on a call or recording a video. You can demo a product, show your notes, or draw a sketch. It automatically adjusts the perspective to look more natural. Finally, on the list is the ports. Ahead of the launch, there were rumors we'd have a third Type-C port, but that didn't come to fruition. There are still only 2 Thunderbolt ports on the side of the MacBook Air. But now they are full-fledged Thunderbolt 4 ports. Thunderbolt 4 isn't a massive change for the spec, but it is important for accessories as it doubles the required minimum data rate to 32 gigabits per second. External accessories should reliably perform better than Thunderbolt 3 ones. Definitely good to say, and that's coming from someone who uses a lot of external displays and media. Thunderbolt 5 would have been better, but at least it's an upgrade. So that's it. Those are the top new features on the 2025 MacBook Air. Let me know what you think of it down below in the comments. If you're interested in picking one up, there are links down below in the description with some great deals and discounts. Otherwise, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.